God bless you all. The age-old question all Muslim people keep asking or keep telling Christian people that Bible has been changed or Bible's been modified. Actually, it's impossible to modify the Bible because the best way Christians can answer is to quote them from Quran. And Quran, Islamic scripture, as per Islam, the writer is Allah and then the messenger is Muhammad, the Islamic prophet. So, second chapter of Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 4 says that a Muslim will not be a Muslim if they don't believe in the God of Quran and the Prophet and then angels, Judgment Day, etc. and the books that have come before. And then it just namely says Torah, Psalms and the Gospels. Surah chapter 10, which is Surah Yunus, verse 94, it says that if Muslims have any confusions or anything they need to consult, they can go to the people of the book, which is Jewish and Christian people who have the scriptures before them. So Quran keeps endorsing. Why does it happen? So there are two or three different scenarios. Scenario one, maybe the writer of the Quran or the God of Quran didn't know that Bible was changed. If that's the case, and obviously they keep endorsing the Bible, the one that was in place at that time, 600 plus AD. So that means that they were unaware. If that is the case, then the whole case for the Quran itself actually becomes very unstable. On the other side, if the God of Quran and the Prophet of Islam knew that Bible was changed, why then they kept on endorsing the Bible? Why there are so many verses talking about Bible in the Quran? And why they keep telling people that go and talk to the people who are following the Bible? Because that's misleading. Thirdly, I believe the real scenario is that Islam's Prophet knew that Bible wasn't changed or hasn't been changed. And that's why he was trying to convince people of the book, so then they could also believe in him. So Bible hasn't been changed. There is nowhere in Quran it says that Bible has been modified or corrupted. So we need to understand that. Let's say if somebody says Bible was changed after the Islam came, after the Quran was written, then the Bible was changed. It was literally impossible to do that because there were so many translations that are already in place. The Old Testament was in circulation for 1500 plus years, and the New Testament was in circulation for 600 years plus, and it was impossible to bring back all the copies and then modify them and send it back. So it's not possible that Bible has been changed. The issue is that it was 10th century when there was a caliph, bin Marwan, who actually brought that idea. For 4 centuries, Islam never claimed that Bible was changed. It was in the 10th century, because there were so many discrepancies and a lot of things were totally different in the Quran that was written much after the Bible. In order to compensate that, they said Bible was changed, which isn't the case. Bible will never be changed, and it will change your life.